Hi everybody, this is CR number 17, helper video number 1. It says which graph corresponds to the table of values? Well, just because this table is written horizontally doesn't mean that the x and y values change in any way. So if I look here, my x value is -2, my y value is 3. So that could be written as the ordered pair -2, 3, just like in a vertical table. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to graph that first point on each of these graphs, and we're going to see which one it matches so far. Well, I always start at the origin. -2 means that I would move to the left 2, 1, 2. +3 means I move up 3, 1, 2, 3. I am nowhere near that graph, so this is not a choice. Let's try B. First, I go to -2 as I start at the origin, 1, 2. And then it says +3, which means I go up 3. I'm nowhere near that line either. Let's check out C. I start at the origin, 0, 0. I go -2. Now I go +3, 1, 2, 3. Now that to me looks like it's just below the line, but it could just be off a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try the second point of -1, 0. Well, I go back to the origin. I go to -1, 0 means I don't go up or down. Well, guess what? It's not on that line at all. That one is going to go ahead and not be a graph. Let's double check D. -2, 3. I go to the left 2 from the origin. I go up 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm on the graph. Looks like a good start. My next point is -1, 0. I start again at the origin. Go to -1, 0 means I do not go up or down. It is on the graph. Last but not least, 0, -3. 0 means I do not go left or right. -3 means I go down 3, and that is right on the graph as well. And that is why D is the corresponding graph. Good luck.